Terry has been in network marketing for over 25 years, and in the past few years, he has become frustrated with the amount of effort it now takes to build and maintain his business. The thing is, what worked in the past, like home meetings and 3 get 3, simply doesn't work anymore. People have basically become less sociable. They would prefer to speak with you via text than to actually meet with you face to face. Those days are simply gone and they're never coming back. After sitting down with Terry, it became clear that AI technology could easily solve this problem. When we looked at his downline, we could see that only 5% of the people were producing, while 95% did absolutely nothing. Now, there's really only 2 reasons a person doesn't do something. The first reason is because they don't know how to do it, and the second reason is because they are afraid to do it. This is where AI steps in. Our app solves both of these problems because it knows exactly what to do and is not afraid to do it. Now, Terry's team is armed with a tool that can send an offer to the contacts in their phone. With one click, Google estimates that the average person has over 600 contacts in their phone. It would take you weeks to send 600 people a text message. With our app, you can do it in a matter of minutes. That's the power of AI. So Terry simply has his people download our LetAIDoItForYou.com app, which they purchase from the landing page we supply him, so he gets the credit. Now, if sending out 600 messages produces only 10 signups, the average person would become wildly successful in network marketing, because according to Google, the average person can only refer 2.5 people on their own. Now, for the best part, those 10 new people will have access to the same AI app. Now, Terry and his team can confidently use this tool to effortlessly make offers to the contacts in their phone via text, the same as you did. This is duplication, and duplication is the key to being successful in network marketing. This app is the future of network marketing because everyone has a cell phone. People love mobile apps, and people would really love to have a mobile app that helps them to make more money. The key thing to remember is that when things change, you must change with it if you want to succeed in life. You simply must embrace and use AI technology, or you're simply going to get left behind. Just ask Terry.